2020 corn concludes.
What's good, guys? Thanks for tuning in to another video for Undercover Michigan, my YouTube channel that I use to kind of promote what we're doing here on the farm at HAGIE Brothers Farms in Springport, Michigan. For those of you who don't know who I am, my name's Drew, and I farm alongside my brother Mark and my dad Dennis, and we've got two other hired guys, Bill and Storm. This is a video I probably should have made a while ago before I started making other videos, so if you guys watched it, you kind of knew who we are and what we do. So our main focus here at HAGIE Brothers is soil health and creating a better environment in the soil and a better environment overall, really, for our crops to grow. And by doing that, we use practices such as no-till, planting cover crops. Something else we do is we plant buffer strips around the edge of our fields to native grasses and native flowers, so the butterflies, the pollinators, bees, things like that have a place to live. So those are some of the things we do here, something we have an emphasis on, and I hope you enjoy watching the rest of the videos, and I enjoy making them. Once again, if you have any questions or comments or anything about what we do here, feel free to put them in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And yeah, enjoy the rest of the videos, and I'll keep them coming as long as people keep watching them. Hey, Layla, you gonna work today? You gonna work? No, it's not time to go home. Come on. You guys better hurry up and eat. It's gonna start raining soon. So right now I'm headed to one of the fields that got planted in the, let's see here, be the second good run we had of planting. It was planted about a week or so ago, and gonna go take a stand count, see how well everything's coming up. All right, so out here in the middle of the field, well, the edge of the field, and gonna do a stand count, see what our population actually planted. I have a feeling that the planter was doing a good job, because you dump some seed in and do the math, and I would usually do just about as many acres as I thought I would for that amount of seed. But it's still a good idea to just go back, check, verify, make sure everything was working. What we're also looking at out here is the emergence, to see how well the planter was placing the seed at the proper depth uniformly throughout the entire planter. And we can do that by looking at the height of the plants. So if we go along here, we can kind of see that this guy here, he's a little smaller than the two next to him, so he might have been planted just a touch deeper, or there could have been another underlying factor that caused him to get out of the ground just a little bit later, along with this guy here. But so let me extend my tape measure back out here to 17 feet 5 inches, which that number is 1/1000th of this acre in this field. So I'm going to count the plants here. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and this guy 18. Should be one there too. Yep, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and could even throw him in too because my tape was a little far on the other end. We'll just extend him out there. 32. So that means in this row there are 32,000 plants per acre, which is right around what I plant most of the time. Average 30,000. So overall, this row here did what it was supposed to. Now we gotta check rows 23 through 1, make sure they were doing what they were supposed to. This is just something that's always good to do. Go back, make sure the planter was working properly. It's kind of late in the game. I can't really change anything out here in the field now, but overall it's nice to see that the plants are even, they're uniformly spaced. It's a good start to the growing season.